What's the meaning of abruptness? Abruptness. 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 Abruptness is the quality of being sudden, unexpected, and often unpleasant. It can be used to describe a person's behavior, a change in events, or a physical object. For example, you might say that a person is being abrupt if they suddenly cut you off in conversation, or that a change in plans was abrupt if it was made without warning. Abruptness can sometimes be jarring or even offensive, but it can also be used to create a sense of urgency or excitement. Here are some examples of abruptness. A person who abruptly changes the subject of a conversation. A change in weather that is sudden and unexpected. A road that comes to an abrupt end. A story that ends without warning. Abruptness can be used to create a variety of effects. Depending on the context, it can be used to add drama, suspense, or even humor. However, it is important to use abruptness sparingly, as it can also be jarring and off-putting.